Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today we're going to talk about one of the hottest flooring trends for 2024, SPC flooring. Whether you're renovating your home or upgrading your commercial space, this guide will tell you everything you need to know about SPC flooring and why it's becoming so popular. Step 1. What is SPC flooring? SPC stands for Stone Plastic Composite. It's a type of luxury vinyl flooring that combines limestone and PVC for durability. What makes SPC stand out is its rigid core, which provides excellent stability and resistance to wear and tear. Step 2. Why SPC flooring is a top choice in 2024. SPC flooring is making waves in 2024 for a few key reasons. First, it's incredibly durable. Thanks to its stone core, SPC flooring is resistant to dents and moisture, making it ideal for high-traffic areas and even bathrooms or kitchens. Advantages of SPC flooring. 1. Waterproof, perfect for moisture-prone areas. 2. Durable, scratch and dent resistant. 3. Easy installation, click-lock system. 4. Low maintenance, simple to clean and care for. And if you're worried about design, don't be. SPC flooring comes in a wide variety of styles, from realistic wood grains to stone finishes, so it's easy to match your decor. Step 3. How to install SPC flooring. One of the best things about SPC flooring is how easy it is to install. Most SPC flooring uses a click-lock system, which means no glue or nails are needed. You can even install it over existing floors. It's a great option for DIY projects. But if you want a flawless finish, we at Fixing Expert are always here to help. Step 4. Maintenance tips for SPC flooring. SPC flooring is super low maintenance. All you need is a damp mop or a vacuum to keep it clean. It's also stain resistant, so spills and dirt won't be a problem. Just make sure to avoid harsh chemicals to keep your floors looking brand new for years. SPC flooring is a fantastic choice for 2024, offering durability, style, and easy maintenance. If you're ready to upgrade your floors, Fixing Expert has got you covered. Drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more flooring tips and home renovation ideas.